Daddy taught us how to steal. What's theirs is ours, he said. But Pop had no mind for the guilt. Can't spend it when you're dead. John and me, we spent our loot. Old Edgar did the same. The minute it came in our hands, it flew away again. Mama's grave. Our mama was the sweet one, never raised her kindly voice, nor took her fair entitled share from each new Kmart heist. There weren't so much as 2 coins left, a penny for her eyes. No funds had we to dirt her down, dead broke when Mama died. The undertaker refused to help, the gravedigger did the same. No tomb could we steal for our mama that bore our mama's name. To John and me, no great big deal, from dust to dust they say. But Edgar could not abide the thought of mama moldering this way. Now Edgar was an orphan lad, her love to him she gave. We'd never seen the orphan sad till mama died without a grave. Without a sound he picked her up, wrapped mama in oily rags, then slid her still warm body in a Febreze hefty bag. Like a duffel on his shoulder he carried her outside and hitchhiked off to Omaha that night that mama died. I was born in a boneyard near some tulip trees. I'll plant mama there in the shade, Edgar's final words to me. We never saw each other again nor heard what happened next. Just rumors floating round the plains that left us feeling hexed. Some say they never made it out of state, that Edgar dumped the body bag, resumed his low-life stealing ways in the shadow of some black flag. But Omaha's tell another tale of a ghost son and his ma, who takes roses from the richer folks to the grave of his mama. Mama's grave,
Mama's grave,
Mama's grave.
Mama's grave.